Hey guys, this is my Sig Sauer P229. This is a real nice holster. I have a guy that he makes these custom made. I love the snaps. Snaps right onto your belt. It's real easy to take it off, put it back on. Really nice. Got a thumb brake snap. Just a real good quality holster. Just to let you know, this is safety checked. Okay. This is the 40 caliber barrel. I also have the 357 Sig barrel. Just a really nice gun. It's got the decocker. It's the P229 stainless. This is made in Exeter, New Hampshire. I guess some of them are made in Germany. Well, actually, this part says that it's made Sig Arms, Exeter, New Hampshire. Frame made in Germany. So, I mean, this gun is super comfortable in your hand. It just fits like a glove. They're easy to break down. You've seen them break down on other videos. I'm just showing it to you so you can see what it looks like. The original way I've got it. I've seen some of them have the slotted screws in the handle. This one has hexagon bits, like L handles. It's a little different. New York State has a 10 round maximum capacity. That stinks. But I'm just so happy to have this. It's just an awesome firearm. Hope you enjoyed that. Alright, have a great day.